Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Running a sale or a special offer, Promotion Extensions allows you to highlight discounts directly into your ads. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add promotion extensions in Google Ads 2026 step by step. Now before we start, the first thing you want to do is to set up your Google Ads account. If you haven't set up your Google Ads account already, you're just going to go to business.google.com and here you're going to click on the Start Now button. From here, you're going to open here and enter your business name, and then you're going to enter your business website. After that, you're going to finish setting up your business in Google Ads, and you're going to go here and go to the assets. From here, you're going to go to the assets, then click on ads and assets, then open the assets tab and click new promotion. We're going to click on ads and extensions, and then you're going to click on promotion extension. Let's go back here and go out of the ad. Here, you're going to click on extensions and you're going to click on promotion extensions. From here, you're going to click on ads and extensions, then click on the big plus sign and select promotion extensions from the list. Then you're going to need to pick what level you want to add the extensions on, account, campaign, or ad group level. And next you can select the occasion for your promotion. This will show with bold before the text of the extension. Google Ads supports over 30 occasions and holidays such as Christmas, Winter Sale, Black Friday, and Chinese New Year. Also, you can, after setting up the promotion type, you can set the promotion details, select the occasions, enter the discount amounts, and add a final URL, then set start and end dates. And the fourth and final thing is to apply and save. You can choose level and click save, and always set an end date and use for limited time offers, which works best during holidays or sales events. And that's how you add promotion extensions in Google Ads 2026. They create urgency and boost CTR fast. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.